Service in Newport has issued a flash flood warning for northwestern Beaufort County in eastern North Carolina, northwestern Craven County in eastern North Carolina, southwestern Martin County in eastern North Carolina, Pitt County in eastern North Carolina, until 5:45 p.m. At 2:33 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 3 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 2 to 4 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly and caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Greenville, Washington, Winterville, Farmville, Bethel, Stokes, Belle Arthur, House, Pactolus, Shelmerdine, Calico, Blackjack, Bruce, Old Fort, East Carolina University, Dowdy-Ficklin Stadium, Pitt Greenville Airport, Gramesland, Fountain, and Simpson. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Please report observed flooding to local emergency services or law enforcement and request they pass this information to the National Weather Service when you can do so safely.